Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be solving an example for the Rolle's theorem. So just a recap, no? Again, Rolle's theorem, sinasabi niya, if we have a function, f of x, then f should be continuous between the closed interval a comma b. And f should be differentiable between the open interval a comma b. And we should also verify that f of a equals f of b is equal to 0. Okay, so we need to satisfy all of those three conditions. Okay, so x squared minus 2x times e to the x yung ating f of x, and we need to verify that this is continuous and differentiable at a comma b. So this is on the right, actually the graph of x squared minus 2x times e to the x. And as we can see, this is continuous at close interval a comma b, so walang kahit anong gaps or anything, and differentiable din siya. Okay, so we just need to verify that f of a equals f of b is equal to 0. So let's do that. So yung a natin would be 0 and b natin would be 2, no? So f of a is f0 is equal to 0 squared minus 2 times 0 times e to the 0, no? So this is clearly equal to 0. Tama? Then f of 2 is equal to 2 squared minus 2 times 2 times e squared. So, nag-0 yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, then this is equal to 0, no? So, from the Rolle's theorem, so RT, Rolle's theorem, we can find a C, okay, between 0 to such that yung point na yon would have a horizontal line na slope, no? So, or wherein f prime of c is equal to 0, and we know that it is this point, no? So kailangan natin mahanap anong point ba yan, no? So how would we do that? So kailangan daw f prime of c is equal to 0. So kunin natin yung derivative ng x squared minus 2x times e to the x, no? So we have here fx equals x squared minus 2x times e to the x. So f prime of x is equal to product rule, no? So x squared minus 2x times e to the x plus derivative nung isa, which is 2x minus 2 e to the x. And dapat daw equal siya sa 0. So we equate that to 0. So ngayon, we can just try and simplify everything, no? So pwede natin ilabas si e to the x. So this will become e to the x times x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Assuming that e to the x would not be equal to 0, which will not be equal to 0, so we can just cancel out e to the x, no? So we are left with x squared minus 2x plus 2x, mag-cancel lang, minus 2 is equal to 0, no? So magka-cancel lang. So now we are left with x squared is equal to 2. So x would be equal to plus and minus square root of 2. Okay? Pero, take note na hindi pa ito yung ating final answer. Bakit? Kasi, we are looking for a C. Okay? We are looking for a C between the open interval 0, 2. Okay? And, we have here two values for x. So, we have here square root of 2, positive, and negative square root of 2. And, isa lang dyan yung nasa loob ng 0, 2, which is just positive square root of 2. Okay? So, ang sagot natin dito, C would be equal to square root of 2. Okay? So, again, Rolle's theorem, just first verify that A and B would be equal to 0, and then take the derivative, and then equate it to 0. And then solve for the value of x. And check for the interval na hinahanapan natin ng value for C. Okay? So, kung if ever there is a case na dalawa sila at nasa-satisfy nila both yung condition, then yun na yung magiging value natin for C. Okay? So, see you in the next video.